Shri Swami Shranayappa. So this is a very beautiful Ayappa Swami temple. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. People and name Nagendra. Goshala. Beautiful place. Ayappa Swami, Ganeshji and Shivji Mandir. This is in the place of Jammekunta. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.